Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to cash out your earnings on TapMob step by step. If you are new to TapMob, it's a platform that helps creators and affiliates manage their earnings easily. Let's dive in. Step 1 is log into your TapMob account. First, log into your TapMob account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard where you can see your total earnings, pending payouts, and other details. Step 2 is navigate to the payout section. On the dashboard, look for the payout tab, usually located in the main menu or sidebar. Click on it and you will see a detailed breakdown of your available balance, past transactions, and pending earnings. Step 3 is verify your eligibility for cash out. Before cash out, ensure you meet the minimum payout threshold on TapMob. This is typically $50, but it may vary. If you don't meet the threshold, you will need to wait until you earn enough to cash out. Step 4 is select your payment method. Next, choose your preferred payment method. TapMob supports popular options like PayPal, bank transactions, and direct deposits. Select the method that works best for you. If this is your first time cashing out, you might need to add your payment details. Step 5 is enter payment details. If you are adding payment details, make sure you provide accurate information. For example, if you are using PayPal, input your PayPal email address, or for bank transfers, enter your account number and routing information carefully. Now, step 6 is confirm and submit your cash out request. Once your payment details are saved, confirm the amount you want to cash out. Most users cash out their full balance, but you can enter a custom amount if needed. After double checking everything, click on the submit or request payment button. Step 7 is wait for payment processing. After submitting your request, TapMob will process your payout. Payments typically take 1 to 3 business days to reflect in your account depending on the method you selected. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation notification. Troubleshooting tips. If you're facing any issues like delays or incorrect details, head over to the support section in TapMob. Their customer support team can assist you in resolving payment related queries. And that's it. You have successfully cashed out your earnings on TapMob. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. See you in the next video.